Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can easily fix the 504 error code on your Chrome browser, which is known as the gateway timeout error. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type Chrome. Click on it under the best match. Now, if you are on that website where you encounter that kind of error, which is the error code 504, just try to refresh the page by clicking on this refresh button or reload this page. And then try to see if the problem has been fixed. But if not, move to this method. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, which is to customize and control your Chrome browser. Scroll down and you'll find the settings icon, the one with the gear-like symbol. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find this option Privacy and Security, the one with the shield symbol. In the list of options here under Privacy and Security, you'll find the last option, which is Site Settings, controls what information sites can use and show, including location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Scroll down and under Additional Permissions, Content, you'll find third-party cookies, or it could be cookies and site data in your case, so click on that. Scroll down and you'll find this option, See All Site Data and Permissions, or it could be See All Cookies and Permissions, like that. Then here you just need to simply search for the website that you are having a trouble with, or you can directly click on this Delete All Data, or it could be Remove All in your option for your Chrome browser. Well, you just have to simply click this button. And this window will appear, Delete All Data. You'll be signed out of all sites, including in open tabs. Any offline data will be deleted. Anyway, you have to click on this option, Delete. And after that, you just have to simply close your Chrome browser and then launch it again, and that 504 error will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.